Hello Forex traders, and welcome to video number 4 in this series. So this series we're just going to focus on the bars that we need to look for. So we're looking for price action on specific bars. So we're not going to worry too much about the turns. I'm going to cover the turns in a separate video. So let's just start. So there are 3 types of bars that we are looking for. The first one is an engulfing bar. As you can see, there's my small little red bar and there's my engulfing bar. And this is on the 3 hour. Okay, this is indicating that this trend has been confirmed and the trend is to the downside. If you're not sure about the trend, look at the previous video that explains the trend. So you're looking for engulfing bars, you're looking for pin bars. Let's get this here. There's a pin bar. Okay, there's my pin bar. And then the last one that you're looking for is an inside bar. And there's an example further down here. There's an inside bar. What do we mean by inside bar? The body of the bar fits inside the previous body. Okay, that's on the downside. On the upside, exact same scenario. Okay, what we look for is engulfing bars. Okay, you can see this green bar engulfs this previous bar here. We are looking for inside bars. There's an inside bar there. Okay, and then we're also looking for pin bars, and there's one right at the bottom here, over there. Okay, so if we come back to this side and just pop down to the 30-minute, because that's where we want to be all the time. Let's come back this way. Okay, there we go. There's my 30-minute. You can see that also happened off a level. So the other thing I'm looking for on the 30-minute is levels. 3-hour trend is to the downside, looking for levels. And inside there, you can see an even better example. If I do that, there is my inside bar there. Okay, and you can see there is my pin bar going with the trend. And over here, you're going to see pin bar. That's an inside bar, but it's the wrong direction. Remember, if you're going down, I want a green with a red inside bar. But nevertheless, there is still structure here. That pin bar is enough to warn you that you're moving down. We're going to look at the ones to the upside. We had a pin bar here. Nothing really on the half hour, except previously there was a pin bar. There it is there. Okay. And then we move across. Here you can see good structure. There is an inside bar. So there's an inside bar, there's a pin bar, there's a pin bar, okay, and there is an engulfing bar. So in the lower time frame and in the higher time frame, there's multiple signals that this thing is moving up or potentially moving up. So you can take your trade off the half hour, and stops are always going to be below the structure, okay. And you can see here, same thing happening here. Here's an engulfing bar here. Okay, so that just gives you an understanding of what we're looking for. On the 3 hour, that's giving me the confirmation. So as soon as I see that kind of these kind of patterns on the 3 hour, it gives me confirmation that the trend is going to move a bit longer. So it'll move on the 3 hour charts, whereas the half hour is going to give me sort of short-term structure. But even then with short-term structure, something like this environment here, it's long, stop here and then switch to 3 hour and watch 3 hour for when you need to get out of the trade. Okay, so that's kind of price action that we look for. Don't try to complicate it. That's pretty much all that we look for. And in the next video, we will discuss the volatility of the turns and how we can get in as low as possible. Anyway, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.